Hi, my name is Erica and I am a counseling psychologist. I have my clinic in Ulasnagar, Mumbai. And I think this course was a wonderful experience because uh, a lot of different things we learned in this course, starting from SOFTC model to hypnosis, which gave me a very good clarity. It was really structured, and I think it's going to help us understand and make the clients solve their own issues. Thank you, and thank you so much, Divya Raksha ma'am.
Thank you, Erika. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Anu Kushwaha. I've been working in aviation industry for past 12 years. Then I have switched to being a yoga teacher. And when I'm just teaching yoga, I have found that many of the clients are coming with some issues or they are simply not able to pursue their yoga practices on a daily basis. So since yoga will also give me results, but it will take little more longer time and efforts from the clients. So I was thinking to learn some ways through which I can help my clients get little quick results in a month or two. So when I have learned these processes with ICHRS, it has really helped me. And also since it is very systematically taught, it has given me confidence also that yes, I can also take these sessions like from a non-psychology background. So it was really nice. And yes, Divya Raka ma'am takes class very nicely. So it's like very comprehensible and very approachable. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Anu. Thank you so much. Yes, Vijay, I see your hand being raised. Thank you.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम विजय अरोड़ा है। गाजियाबाद में रहता हूँ। VGNC के नाम से मेरी एक बिजनेस एडवाइजरी फर्म है। आई चार्ट्स के बारे में मेरे को जानकारी मिली थ्रू फेसबुक, और आई चार्ट्स ने जिस खूबसूरती से NLP, हिप्नोसिस और कॉग्निटिव थेरेपी का फ्यूजन करके इस कोर्स को डिजाइन किया है, वो बहुत ही अच्छा है। और रही बात कोच की, तो कोच जो दिव्या हैं उनके बारे में मैं ये कहूंगा कि अगर आई चार्ट्स मेंटोरशिप प्रोग्राम में मेरे को उनको अलॉट कर दे तो इससे अच्छा कुछ नहीं हो सकता। और आई चार्ट्स बहुत बढ़िया इंस्टीट्यूशन है। इनका जितना भी स्टाफ है, जितने भी इनके ट्रेनर्स हैं, वो एक एक आदमी को मतलब अच्छा पकड़ पकड़ के उसका असाइनमेंट पूरा करवाते हैं। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much. Thank you, Vijay.
थैंक यू जी।
So yeah, hi everyone. My name is Neha Meherutra, and I'm a life painting coach and a career counselor, and I run a firm in the name of Inspiring Insights, based in Lucknow. And I came to know about this course from iShares, while browsing through Instagram, and I am so happy that I took this decision of signing up for this level 1 course, with iShares. So I am definitely I'm a life coach and a parenting coach, and this course has helped me to widen my base of knowledge. It has equipped me with a lot of tools and techniques. And Divya is a wonderful coach and trainer. I think the way she conducted the course is really commendable. Very, very well structured, easily understandable, and a very hands-on experience. So everything that was taught was taught quite in detail. And it just didn't stop there. We were given an experience of how to, take it up practically. So I'm, really happy with my decision of signing up for this course. And thank you, Divya, for being such a wonderful coach and trainer. Thank you.
Thank you, Neha. Thank you so much. All right, Sananda.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Sananda Karmakar and I'm from Bardhaman, West Bengal. So I came across ICHRS a long time back, 2 years back, and I did a relationship coach. I was working as a banker for the last 13 years in a nationalized bank, and I transitioned to a life coach. So I intended to become a relationship coach, and I did the relationship course that they provide, and I immediately signed up for this course then. So, and I want to mention a very important point that they do is like I enrolled paid for the course long back, but I wasn't allowed because I didn't finish the pre-recordings of the course. So this is the kind of rigorous, thing that the course is going through. That it is not to be taken very lightly, and the course is very structured. And like I did the life coaching certification, but I needed some other tools to make it a more permanent solution for the clients. So, and I found it here, and it is beautifully structured. We got a structure to the process. And about Divya ma'am, like I got to do my relationship course with Divya ma'am only, and she's just a darling. She teaches so beautifully, and she's like, strict, funny, and loving, caring, everything that a coach needs to be and a trainer needs to be. So I'm very happy. I'm already signing up for the level 2. So yeah, I'm looking forward. Thank you.
Thank you, Sananda. Thank you so much. All right. Reshmi.
Shall I start?
Yes, Reshmi. Okay.
Hi, I'm Rishmi Bakchi. I'm from Pune and I'm a clinical psychologist. I have a clinic where I practice. And I had heard this from a colleague of mine about ICHRS, and he also did his hypnotherapy from here itself. And he referred me about Divya ma'am only. And I have to say that whatever he said about her actually is very perfect, because he said that she is very understanding. She goes in the deep and she'll explain you don't need to think twice before asking questions with her. And really I'm very thankful to the admin for having such wonderful people. And I really got to understand many things like about my own self when I was going through the course. I had many hurdles while thinking about myself, or many things that got refined because of this course. So yes, this is something which I wanted to do since the day I started doing MA in clinical psychology. So this is something I marked off my list, and I'm very happy to be a part of this ICHRS. And because not only because during this course they guide you, but whatever I got to understand or got the vibes from my trainer, my coach, is that it's not this relationship is forever. This is not till we have our classes, it's forever. From today onwards, I'm a part of this ICHRS, and whenever I need help, they are there for me. That's the feeling, that's the warmth I have got. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for helping me cope up with my problems, letting me know who I am, and also for a lovely experience through the whole training. And definitely I'm going to do the second, also do second, third, fourth. Yes, I have that on my list now.
Thank you. Thank you, Reshmi. All right. Next, Ishani.
Hi, I'm Ishani and I'm working as a child psychologist. Currently, I'm in Delhi. And this course has been recommended to me by my friend. She has done all the 4 level and she has recommended this course. This course has really helped me to expand my confidence to shift my work or expand my work from children to adults. And this course has been very well designed by the ICHRS team, and Divya ma'am conducted this course beautifully. She had cleared all our doubts. She had made us understand each and every topic in this level very effectively. Like it is in our mind, it is ingrained in our mind. And my key takeaway from this level is that this level is not only for people who has a background from psychology, but other people also who are just beginning or who want to learn more about this area. This course is beautifully designed for all of us. This is an inclusive course, not only limited to people who have a background from psychology. So I'm really thankful for this course, and thank you, Divya ma'am, for taking this level so nicely.
Thank you, Ishani. Thank you. Okay, Rupa.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohana Rupa. I am from Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. I am from mechanical engineering background and worked as a assistant professor for 8 years in an engineering college. Then out of my interest in psychology, I shifted to psychology, then did masters and currently pursuing my PhD in psychology. And now I want to launch my coaching and therapy business. So I'm browsing for various courses on CBT and how to handle a client initially because I don't have any experience. And then I came through ICHS. Actually, I came through ICHS I think 2 or 3 years back also, but I'm just postponing and postponing. Finally, I could able to register this time and complete this course. The course was designed in a very systematic way and very effective way. And the practical sessions we are dealing is also very helpful to us. And Divya ma'am is very professional and empathetic trainer. She is very loving and nudging us to do what is required to be done. Very loving. My key takeaway is the same thing. Anybody, irrespective of their background, who wants to launch their career as a coach can do this course. It's very helpful. Thank you.
Thank you, Rupa. Okay, Shivam.
Yes. Hello, my name is Shivam, and I'm an undergraduate psychology student in Pune. And the journey with ICRS has been little long. I did my internship with ICRS, and during that time, I discovered about this course. And the course is very well structured. The best thing about this course is I got hands-on experience with very good guidance. And Divya ma'am is just wonderful. She tried to answer my each and every doubt. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Shivam. Okay, who else now? Shubhangi. Yeah, Shubhangi. Yes, Shubhangi, you can start.
Hi, I'm Shubhangi and I'm based in Pune currently. I'm a market researcher by profession, but about 3 decades back, I've done my MA in psychology. Currently, I'm on a sabbatical and I was looking at refreshing and updating my knowledge of psychology. And I was searching for courses with the same end, and I was not really able to find anything suitable or anything that impressive. But finally, I found this course, and I looked for reviews, and I got positive reviews everywhere on Quora and other sites. So I decided to enroll, and I'm really very happy with these 3 weeks. They were very intensive. It was an immersive experience, and I feel like I'm back with my psychology juices flowing. And what I liked is that they've combined several approaches like cognitive, NLP, and hypnotherapy, which gives us a very comprehensive, very practical model to use. And looking at how there's a paucity of coaches and therapists today with such a increasing mental health issues that people are facing. I'm also looking at probably volunteering somewhere, and so that I can put my knowledge to practice. About Divya ma'am, I'd like to thank her. She's facilitated the course so beautifully and gave us a lot of hands-on practical experience as well. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Shubhangi. Aditi. Yes.
Hi everyone, Aditi Sharma. I am from Gurgaon. I am working as a school psychologist and educator and also as a yoga instructor. But yeah, as a freelancer, I'm also working with adolescents and children especially. So I have been an integrated psychotherapist for a long time. However, when I got associated with ICHAS, I got to know that hypnosis is something which is actually utilizing the suggestibility states that we generally have throughout the day. So that's something I felt like including in my own kitty of modalities. And I definitely thank myself first for taking this decision, for taking up this course. And Divya ma'am, I'm really, really thankful how you handheld me with all the little mistakes I was making, and I was full of questions, and then but then you were very patient throughout. This course has been very well curated, has a proper structure, which actually gives you a confidence that you can move ahead. Even a level 1 course itself gives a lot of modalities into hypnosis, which makes you feel empowered enough to go ahead to deal with the clients effectively. So thank you so much, IHRs, Nitin sir, Divya Raka ma'am, and the whole team. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Hi, everyone. I'm Madhu Tapliyar, and I'm a practicing counseling psychologist from Mumbai, having done my master's in biochemistry and psychology sometime back, and my diploma in counseling too. So I learned about ICHRs during the COVID times from a friend, and I attended some free online sessions, which I found very helpful. And it was then I decided I would be doing some courses here because I'm a constant learner and I feel we can learn. There's so much to learn. And it's just recently that I found this time that I could join with ICHR, and I signed up for this course. And I'm really happy that I took this decision now, at least never late, never then being, I mean, it's okay to be late than never doing it. So I found the entire course very helpful and resourceful for my own self growth, as well as I think I'm feeling very confident that I can apply whatever I've learned here on my clients as well. And our trainer, Ma'am Divya Raka ma'am, is an excellent coach and trainer who's so friendly and approachable. Besides knowing her own material so well, I mean her subject. So if any doubts or we can approach her at any time. And I just want to thank ICHRs from the bottom of my heart for designing this course, and Divya Raka ma'am for conducting it so well. Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, ICHR.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Madhu.